It's a brown house set back from the road, and knock one time and I go on in. Pale light from a sneaky moon through the window of your rumpus room. I'm hearing drums and I'm up all night with you. Don't know anything about your life. Don't know your mother or your father's names. It's true we don't talk too much, a few words and that's enough. But I know what I know when I'm up all night with you. Do you work at an office off Washington Square? Some days it's hard to stay awake. I'm so tired and my body's weak. I tell myself I gotta get more sleep. Then I'm back again, up all night with you. The last time I'll leave one morning and I won't go back. I'll wise up and I'll take a walk. You won't give it a second thought, 'cause there'll be somebody else in there up